ॐ शुक्लांभरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करभावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां श्रीहयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्ज सम्भावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं। வெற்றிவேல் முருகனுக்கு ஹரஹரோஹரா. லோகவீரியம் மகாபூஜ்யம் சர்வரக்ஷாகரம் விபும் பார்வதி ஹிருதயானந்தம் சாஸ்தாரம் பிரணமாம்யஹம். சுவாமியே சரணமையப்பா. வாகர்த்தாவிவ சம்பிரக்தௌ வாகர்த்த பிரதிபத்தஹே जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। श्री पार्वती परमेश्वराभ्यां नमः। कोमलं कूजयन् वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। पीताम्बरं करविराजितचक्रशङ्खकौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायम् अतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। कृष्णो रक्षतु मां चराचरगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्ये सदा। कृष्णेनैव सुरक्षितोऽहमसकृत् कृष्णाय दत्तं मनः। कृष्णादेव समुद्भवो मम विभो कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्। कृष्णे भक्तिरचञ्चलास्तु भगवन्। हे कृष्ण तुभ्यं नमः। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं। नम्राणां सन्निधत्ते सततमपि पुरस्तैरणभ्यर्थितानपि अर्थान् कामानजस्रं वितरति परमानन्दसान्द्रां गतिं च। इत्थं निःशेषलभ्यो निरवधिकफलः पारिजातो हरे त्वं क्षुद्रं तं शक्रवाटी ध्रुममभिलषति व्यर्थमर्त्यव्रजोऽयम्। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं। श्रीभट्टपादम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। वंशीविभूषितकरात् नवनीरदाभात् पीताम्बरात् अरुणबिम्बफलाद् रोष्टात् पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखात् अरविन्दनेत्रात् कृष्णात् परं किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने। കൈരണ്ടും കൂപ്പി ഞാൻ വീണ്ടും ഇറക്കുന്നു നീരജലോചന നിന്നോടായി. ഏതീനു മന്യനെ കുംഭീരേന്ദാത്തോരു രീതിയിൽ നീ എന്നെ പാലിക്കന്നായി. കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ. Okay, welcome everyone. We're just telling Nikki a lot of no shows today, but we'll continue anyways. So Sujata, can you chant 88? Okay. And then Priya, if you can chant 88, and then Uma and Satya, you can be students today.
Sounds good.
Shri Krishnaya Parabhamane Namaha. Pragevacharya putra hriti nishamanaya sviya shachunu viksham kankshantya maturuktya sutala bhuvi bhalim prapyate nachitastvam dhatushapadhiranya vita kashipu bhavan shaurijan kamsabagnan ani yainan pradarshya swapadamanayatāh पूर्वपुत्रान् मरीचेः श्रुतदेव इति श्रुतं द्विजेन्द्रं बहुलाश्वं नृपतिं च भक्तिपूर्णं युगपत्वमनुगृहीतु कामो मिथिलां प्रापिततापसैः समेतः गच्छन् गच्छन् विमूर्तिरुभयोरुपपन्निकेतम् एकेन भूरि विभवैर्विहितोपचारः अन्येन तद्दिनभृतैश्च फलौदनाद्यैः तुल्यं प्रसेदित ददात च मुक्तिमाभ्याम् சாரி இதுக்கும் ஒரு டியூன் மட்டும் எடுத்துக்கோ ராஜேஷ் ப்ளீஸ் भूयोतद्वारवत्यां द्विजतनयमृतिं तत्प्रलापाननापित्वं को वा दैवं निरुन्द्यादिति किल कथयन् विश्ववोडाप्यसोडाः जिष्णोर्गर्वं विनेतुं त्वयि मनुजधिया खण्डितां चास्य बुद्धिं कुण्ठितां चास्य बुद्धिं तत्त्वारूढां विधातुं परमतपद प्रेक्षणे नेति मन्ये नष्टा अष्टास्य पुत्राः पुनरपि तव तूपेक्षया कष्टवादः स्पष्टो जातो जनानाम् अत तव दसरे द्वारकामापपातः होना है तो तपच ओके स्पष्ट ओके मறுபடியும் फर्स्ट लेंथ चल रहे हैं नष्टा अष्टास्य पुत्राः पुनरपि तव तूपेक्षया कष्टवादः स्पष्टो जातो जनानाम् तदवसरे ओके न तवच अत तदवसरे द्वारकामापपातः मैत्या तत्रोषितोऽसौ नवमसुतस्मृतौ विप्रवर्य प्ररोधं श्रुत्वा चक्रे प्रतिज्ञाम् अनुपहृतसुतः सन्निवेक्ष्ये कृशानुम् मानीसत्वामपृष्ट्वा द्विजनिलयगतो वानजालैर्महाश्रैः रुन्दानसूतिगेहं पुनरपि सहसा दृष्टनष्टे कुमारे यां मैन्द्रीं तथान्याः सुरवरनगरीर्विद्यया साध्य सद्यो मोगोद्योगपतिष्यन् हुतभुजि भवता सस्मितं वारितोऽभूत् सार्धं तेन प्रतीचिं दिशमति जविना स्यन्दनेनाभियातो लोकालोकं व्यतीतः तिमिरबरमतो चक्रदाम्ना निरुन्धन् चक्रांशु क्लिष्टदृष्टिं स्थितमतविजयं पश्येति वारां पारे त्वं प्राददर्शः किमपि हि तमसां दूरं पदं ते तत्रासीनं भुजङ्गादिपशयनतले दिव्यभूषायुधाङ्गैः आवीतं पीतचेलं प्रतिनवजलदश्यामलं श्रीमदङ्गम् मूर्तीनामीशितारं परमिह तिसृणाम् एकमर्थं श्रुतीनां त्वामेव त्वं परात्मन् प्रियसखसहितो नेमितक्षेमरूपम् युवां मामेव त्वावदिकववृतान्तर्हिततया
இந்த விவ்ருதாந்தர் யுவா மாமேவ பாஸ் அதுக்கப்புறம் விவ்ருதாந்தர்.
ஓகே युवां मामेव द्वावदिकववृता என்ன
விவ்ருதாந்தர்.
ओ विवृतान्तर्हिततया विभिन्नौ संद्रष्टुं.
அது வந்து டியூன் வந்து அந்த இடத்துல அந்த ஆஃப்டர் மாமேவ and after sandrashtum you pause, right? So yuva mameva dvavadika vivrutantarhitataya vibinnau sandrashtum swayamaha maharsham dvijasutan.
विभिन्नौ संद्रष्टुं स्वयमः महार्षं द्विजसुतान् नेतं दाग्रेतानिति खलु वितीर्णां पुनरमून् द्विजायादायादाः प्रणुतमहिमा पाण्डुजनुषा एवं नानाविहारैर्जगदभिरयन् वृष्णिवंशं प्रपुष्णन् ईजानो यज्ञभेदैः अतुलविहृतिभिः प्रीणयन्नेन नेत्राः भूभारक्षेपदम्भात् पदकमलजुषां मोक्षणायावतीर्णः पूर्णं ब्रह्मैव साक्षात् यदुषु मनुजता रुष्टिदस्त्वं व्यलासीः प्रायेण द्वारवद्याम् अवृथतयि तदा नारदस्त्वत्रसार्द्रः तस्माल्लेभे कदाचित् खलु सुकृतनिधिस्त्वत्पिता तत्त्वबोधम् भक्तानाम् अग्रयायी स च खलु मतिमान् त्वद्द एव प्राप्तो विज्ञानसारं सखिल जनहिता यादुनास्ते बदर्याम् सोऽयं कृष्णावतारे जयति तव विभो ओके सोऽयं कृष्णावतारो जयति तव विभो यत्र सौहार्दभीतिस्
भीति end பண்ணிட்டு ஸ்நேக சௌஹார்த பீதி ஸ்நேக.
ओके यत्र सौहार्दभीतिस् स्नेह द्वेषानुराग प्रभृतिभिरतुलै आश्रमैर्योगभेदैः आर्तिं तीर्त्वा समस्ताम् अमृतप्रदमगुः सर्वतः सर्वलोकाः सत्वं विश्वार्तिशान्त्यै पवनपुरपते भक्तिपूर्त्यै च भूयाः. 3 times சொல்லணும். சாரி கொஞ்சம் மிஸ்டேக் பண்ணிட்டேன்.
செகண்ட் லைன்ல மட்டும் அந்த ஸ்நேக த்வேஷானுராக பிரபృతిభిரதுலைஹி அங்க விசர்க இருக்கு. ஓகே
ஓகே
குட் ஜாப்.
थैंक यू.
प्रागेवाचार्यपुत्रा हृद्निशमनया स्वीयषट्सूनुवीक्षां काङ्क्षन्द्या माधुरुक्त्या सुदलभुवि बलिं प्राप्यतेनार्चितस्त्वं तादृशावाधिरण्यान्युदकशिपु भवान् शौरिजान् कंसभग्नान् आनीयैनान् प्रदर्श्य स्वपदमनयदाः पूर्वपुत्रान् मरीचेः श्रुतदेव इति श्रुतं द्विजेन्द्रं बहुलाश्वं नृपतिं च भक्तिपूर्णं युगपत्त्वमनुगृहीतु कामो मिथिलां प्रापिततापसै समेतः गच्छन् विमूर्तिरुभयोर्युगपन्निकेतम् एकेन भूरि विभवैर्विहितोपचारः अन्येन तद्दिनहृदैश्च फलौदनाद्यैः तुल्यं प्रसेदित दधात च मुक्तिमाभ्याम् भूयो दद्वारवत्यां द्विजतनयमृतिं त्वत्प्रलापानपि त्वं
That is
को
tat.
वा दैवं
Clear.
निरुद्ध
That Dvijatanemritim Tat, not Tvat. Tat Pralapanapitvam.
भूयो दद्वारवत्यां द्विजतनयमृतिं तत्प्रलापानपि त्वं को वा दैवं निरुन्ध्यादिति किल कथयन् विश्ववोढाभ्यसोढाः जिष्णोर्गर्वं विनीतं त्वयि मनुजधिया कुण्ठितां चास्य बुद्धिं तत्त्वारूढां विधातुं परमतमपदप्रेक्षणे नीति मन्ये नष्टा अष्टास्य पुत्राः पुनरपि तव तूपेक्षया कष्टवादः स्पष्टो जातो जनानाम् अथ तदवसरे द्वारकामापपार्थः मैत्र्या तत्रोक्षितोऽसौ नवमसुतमृतौ विप्रवर्य प्ररोदं श्रुत्वा चक्रे प्रतिज्ञाम् अनुपहृतसुतः सन्निवेक्षे कृशानुम् मानी सत्त्वामपृष्ट्वा द्विजनिलेगतो बाणजालैर्महास्त्रैः रुन्धानः सूदिगेहं पुनरपि सहसा दृष्टनष्टे कुमारे याम्यामैन्द्रीं तथान्याः सुरवरनगरीर्विद्यया साध्य सद्यो मोहोद्योगपदिक्ष्यन् हुतभुजि भवता सस्मितं वारिदो भूत सार्थं तेन प्रतीचीं दिशमदिश विनास्यन्तनेनाभियातो लोकालोकं व्यतीतः तिमिरभरमथो चक्रधाम्ना निरुन्धन् चक्रां शुक्लिष्टदृष्टिं स्थितमथ विजयं पश्य पश्येति वारां पारे त्वं प्राददर्शः किमपि हि तमसां दूरदूरं पदं ते तत्रासीनं भुजङ्गाधिपशयनतले दिव्यपूषायुधाद्यैः आवीतं पीतचेलं प्रतिनवजलदश्यामलं श्रीमदङ्गं मूर्तीनामीशितारं परमिह तिसृणामेकमर्थं श्रुतीनां त्वामेव त्वं परात्मन् प्रियसखसहितो निमितक्षेमरूपम् युवां मामेव द्वावधिकविवृतान्तर्हितदया विभिन्नौ सन्दृष्टुं स्वयमहमहार्षं द्विजसुतान् नायेतं द्रागेदानिति खलु नयेतं द्रागेदानिति खलु विदीर्णान् पुनरमून् द्विजायादायादाः प्रणुतमहिमा पाण्डुजनुषा एवं नानाविहारैर्जगदभिरमयन् वृष्णिवंशं प्रपुष्णन् ईजानो यज्ञभेदैः अदुलविहृदिभिः प्रीणयन्नेण नेत्राः भूभारक्षेपदम्भाद पदकमलजुषां मोक्षणायावतीर्णः पूर्णं ब्रह्मैव साक्षात् यदुषु मनुजदारूक्षितस्त्वं विलासीः प्रायेण द्वारवत्याम् अवृतदयितदा नारदस्तोद्रसार्द्रः तस्माल्लेभे कदाचित् खलु सुकृतनिधिस्तुत्पिता तत्त्वबोधम् भक्तानामग्रयायी स च खलु मतिमानुत्थवत्वत्तयेव भक्तानामग्रयायी स च खलु मतिमानुत्थवस्त्वत्तयेव प्राप्तो विज्ञानसारं सकिल जनहितायाथुनास्ते बदर्याम् सोऽयं कृष्णावतारो जयति तव विभो यत्र सौहार्दभीति स्नेहद्वेषानुराग प्रभृतिभिरतुलैः आश्रमैर्योगभेदैः आर्तिं तीर्त्वा समस्ताम् अमृतपदमगुः सर्वतः सर्वलोकाः स त्वं विश्वार्तिशान्त्यै पवनपुरपदे भक्तिपूर्त्यै च भूयाः स त्वं विश्वार्तिशान्त्यै पवनपुरपदे भक्तिपूर्त्यै च भूयाः स त्वं विश्वार्तिशान्त्यै पवनपुरपदे भक्तिपूर्त्यै च भूयाः.
Very good. Okay, so we'll go to 91. So I hope none of you are feeling sleepy, because in this is a very nice chapter, and it's a little philosophical. So I want to spend some time. Other than now, in the class, we'll just devote to 91. I think we did up to 3 last time, right? So now first 3, I'll tell the meaning, and then we'll start with the 4th one. Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Shri Krishna Tvatpadhopasanamabhayatamam Bhaddamityartha Martyasyartasya Manye Vyapasarati Bhayam Yena Sarvatmanaiva Yattavat Tvatpranithaniha Bhajana Vidin Astito Mohamarghe Davannapyavritakshaskalati Nakuhachit Deva Deva Khilatman. So here in the first couple of stanzas is kind of like a revision of what we've done in the past, right? So this is completely devoted to how do you reach the Lord through the path of devotion. That is what this chapter is about. So in here, the beginning Bhattatripad says is, attachment to some things gives us happiness, material things. And if we don't have that, then it gives us worries. That's the cause of all the worries, right? And the intellect, when it gets attached to these various sense objects, that's when it causes worry. So this exact thing we discussed in one other chapter in the past, right? And I don't know if you remember that. Matiriha guna sakta, first stanza. Matiriha guna sakta bhanda kritteshva sakta tu amruta kriduparundhe bhakti yogastu saktim mahadanu gamalabhya bhakti revatra sadhya kapiladhanurudetvam Devahutyenyagadihi. So exact same thing he's saying here is attachment causes, attachment to something causes pain or worries. So how do you get rid of that? And even there, Kapilathanuruditvam, he said, praying to you or devotion to you is the only way to get rid of that. So that is the same thing he's also saying here is that the fear that you actually get by attachment, the only way to get rid of that fear or worries here is who are attached to material things is Tvat Pada Upasanam, one who is completely devoted to your feet. That's the only way that can be gotten rid of. And then in the second half, and he also says is, you Tvat Pranitaniha, you yourself, O Krishna, have said this, right? So Gita, you should, the story in Sarvadharman Parityajya Mamekam Sharanam Vrata. So that stanza in Bhagavad Gita is what is referenced here. But everybody is saying, you yourself said this in Bhagavad Gita, that complete attachment to your feet is the only way out. Now, as you are going in that path, right? Bhajana Vidin. So, Astita Bhajana Vidin, when you're in the steadfast worship of the Lord, when you're doing it, Skalatina Puachet. So, when you're running, Moha Marge Davan, the path of delusion, when you're running in the path of delusion, even with the eyes closed, Api Avratakshaha, even with your eyes closed when you are running, it's okay when you slip. If you slip and fall, it is okay. And what he's really meaning by this is, eyes closed, in this case, eyes is referring to the Smriti and Shruti. So, adu and the Kapilathanuruditvam and the chapter, it said, Shruti Smriti Pyam, and this two stanza. So, what it is telling is, Shruti is whatever you heard, whatever was got from just listening. So, the Vedam. And Smriti is whatever people out of their own intellect have created. So, all the various, Manusmriti, adallam they have actually created. So, whatever instructions have been given in that, even if you don't follow them and you make mistakes, that's what I'm saying. Even if you're running blindly, that is totally okay as long as I have steadfast devotion to the Lord. So that's what it is actually telling here. But what is saying, it doesn't matter any mistake, because a lot of people, also keep asking, oh, can I do this? One person asked me also that, oh, chappal put into can I chant? That's what Bhattacharya is saying is, hey, instructions have been given, but even if you cannot do that and you're making mistakes, that's totally okay. As long as you have that steadfast devotion, you can continue to do that. That's better than someone who doesn't do it. That's kind of the idea here, right? So the second one, Bhuman kahena vacha muhurapi manasa twadbala preritatma yadyat kurve samastam tadikha paratare tvaya savarpayami jatyapi hashvapakaha tvai nihitamana karma bhagindriyartha prano vishwam bhunite natu vimukha manas twadpadad vipravaryaha. So this is pretty much a repeat of what we chant every time, which is Kayena Vacha. And this Kayena Vacha was also there in Bhagavatam. So Bhagavatam is slightly different. Bhagavatam, it says Kayena Vacha Manasendriyerva, that is common. Buddhyatmanava Vanusrit Swabhavat, which is also referring to that own natural Swabhavam. And karoti yadyat sakalam parasmai narayanaayeti samarpayetat. So it is telling, because Shukra Brahman is giving instruction, he is saying you devote yourself completely to Narayana, because it is telling in that word. When we are saying Narayanaayeti samarpayami, I am devoting it, right? So the same thing is referred to here. So kayena is anything you're doing with your body. Vacha is anything you're doing with your speech. Manasendri, doing whatever you're doing with your mind. Indriyerva is whatever you're doing with your sense organs. So kayena vacha manasendriyerva. Buddhyatmanava, whatever I'm doing with my intellect, right? Buddhi. Prakrite Swabhavat is natural behaviors, something which is implicit in our soul. So each one, we may be carrying certain things and carrying certain traits or behaviors which are individual to each soul. So whatever I am doing through my own natural tendencies and behavior, all of that, karomi yadyat sakalam. So whatever I am doing all this without looking for results, and I completely surrender to you. That's what the kayena vacha slokam is, which is exactly the same thing here. So bhuman kayena vacha manasa twadbala preritatma, whatever your power is telling my soul to do, whatever I'm doing, I'm completely offering it to a service. That's the first part of it. Then the second part, in this case, Bhattacharya is saying is jatya api iha swapakaha. So by caste, and by caste he's not necessarily referring to somebody with a lower caste, he means with a lower intellect, because later on he says Vipravaryaha, somebody who is of a noble birth. And the definition of the noble one, you can say somebody who's got a good family. There are like 12 attributes. Good family, is beautiful, he or she, beautiful, they're powerful, they have got education, they have expertise, they are lustrous, they're influential, physical strength, diligence, they have all these characteristics, right? So somebody who has these 12 characteristics, you put them as, let's say, best. And then anybody who's below that, you kind of relatively, they are of lower levels, right? So what Bhattacharya is saying is, even somebody who is at the lower thing, but if tvai nihita mana karma, if he's completely giving up his manas, his mind, karma, his actions, vak, his speech, then indriya and his senses and everything, if he's doing it completely, giving it to you, he sanctifies the world more than somebody who has all these 12 characteristics, but who's not doing it with that in mind. So that's what the idea is. So it doesn't matter, like whether you have something or not. The idea here is, if you do it with complete devotion, it's way better than somebody who has got all these 12 attributes, but who's not doing it with that level of devotion. So that's what this is referring to. And this is saying, again, kayena vacha is the main essence out of this stanza. So third one. भीतिर्नामद्वितीयाद्भवति ननु मनः कल्पितं च द्वितीयं तेनैघ्याभ्यासशीलो हृदयमिह यथा शक्तिबुद्ध्या निरुन्ध्यां माया विद्धेतु तस्मिन् पुनरपि न तथा भाति मायाधिनातं तं त्वां भक्त्या महत्या सततमनुभजन्नीश भीतिं विजह्याम्. So so this, like I was teaching 98 for the first class, right? And a lot of these things are kind of related also. So here it is saying when the fear is coming because of what your mind is actually creating a vision of itself, right? So when you actually dream, you're thinking about something of what you want to achieve. Let's say you're dreaming that you want to be rich at night. Then you wake up and then you daydream that you want to become rich. So now that wanting to become rich has become an expectation that your mind has actually set. So now, even though you didn't originally want it, your mind has now set that expectation. So we all start following that thing, right? So under the mind's projection of a completely different reality is what is actually causing all this unhappiness. And here he's saying fear, but fear is because you don't get it, then you're upset, or you then do various things going against it, right? So that is one challenge. And the very example on them, he says, Bhattacharya says is, practicing that oneness with you, with my mind. That's why he says, ekya abhyasa shilaha. Therefore, if I'm able to realize that I am my mind, what it is thinking, and you are all one, then I'll have better control over everything else. But because of your Maya, all of these things get clouded, all of these things get eradicated, right? So it is an interesting story. I don't know, you must have heard of it. There was a king called, I think his name was Janank, or king. So one day he was sleeping, and then one of his soldier actually comes and wakes him up and says that the kingdom has been attacked. So he immediately wakes up in the middle of his sleep, and then he goes to war. He gathers all his generals and he goes to war. He loses the battle, and the losing king says, I'm not going to kill you because that's not what Kshatriyas do, but I'm going to let you go without anything. So this king Jananki is now wandering, and then when he wanders, and then he has nothing, he's completely poor now, he's begging for alms, and then the other king is giving food for somebody, and this king Jananki is fallen on the floor, completely dirty, and when he's about to take that food, some crow comes and pushes even that food to the ground. So he's in completely tatters. He's completely sick as well. So when he's doing that, suddenly he wakes up from his dream, right? And then he looks around and none of this is there. So he then asks his ministers the next day, I saw that in my dream, but now I'm seeing something different here. Kya ye such? I think exactly his thing was, what is true? Was that true or is this true? And nobody is able to answer. And then one wise man comes, and the wise man comes and says, when you are in your dream, where all these wealth and riches with you, he says no. He says, when you are in this world right now, are you with all that poverty and your rags, all of that with you? He says no. Then he says, when you were sick then and on the floor fallen and you were crying, did you actually feel it? And he says yes. He says, do you now feel you're sitting on the throne? He says yes. So that person says, now wo such, na a such. And he says, sirf tu hi such. That's a very nice Hindi story, right? So that's essentially meaning that you don't know what is true. We are feeling this, but even when you are in your dreams, you also feel that, right? But essentially what the story Bhattaripad is also trying to say here is that this oneness, we are not able to feel. And even if I'm able to feel it, this Maya now comes and completely shrouds it off. So I'm not able to feel it. And so only with constant worshipping of you, he says, Satatam Anubhajanisha, only with great bhakti and constant worshipping of you, will I be able to get over it, because it's not something easy to get over. So I need to constantly do that. So that's what he's saying. So now first 3 paragraphs, he said what he needs. Then he'll start talking about how to go there, right? So we'll start with stanza 4. The stanza 4 is a very important stanza as well. Bhakterutpatti vriddhi thavacharanajusham sangame naiva pumsam asadhye punya bhajam shriya iva jagati shrimatam sanghamena tatsangho deva bhuyan mama khalu satatam tanmukat unmishadbihi tvanmahatmya prakarai bhavati cha sudrudha bhakti ruddhuta papa. So he says, if somebody wants to become rich, what do? Do you go and ask a person who's rich, or do you go ask a person who's poor? You end up following somebody who's rich. So you follow, Warren Buffett's tweets and Elon Musk's tweet. And those of you who buy cryptocurrency, every time Elon Musk says Dogecoin, I go buy Dogecoin, right? Because you follow what Elon Musk says, because that's what Bhattaripad says is here, Srimatam Sangamena is when you want to, in this world, Jagati Shriya, when you want to get Shriyam, Shriya here is not referring to monetary wealth, it's referring to wealth. Wealth could be knowledge wealth also, but doesn't matter. Let's say material wealth. So if you want to get Shriya, what do? Srimatam Sangamena. You go and be with people who are rich, then you can also become rich. So what if you want to now Bhakter Utpatti Vriddhi? If you want to get Bhakti, generate Bhakti, and you want to grow that Bhakti, then who do you be with, right? So there he says, this is only possible with Sangamena eva pumsam, only if you associate yourself with such people who are Thava Charana Jusham, who are already worshipping your feet. That's the only way you can also get bhakti, is by associating yourself. That Sangam, Satsangam, is being with people who are also completely dedicated themselves to the feet of the Lord. So in this case, right, he says all the things that he's saying that he wants is so difficult to attain. So I know I get this, that oneness and all is important, but I'm not sure how to get there, right? Because you can't comprehend it. You don't know how to go there. So one story one person says in a Upanyasam, he says is, a person is asking this question to a sannyasi. It becomes late at night, and the Gadge says, I can't visualize how I'm going to get to the end. So the person says, okay, you are going to go back home now. How far does your car's light travel? Says the car's light takes me through 100 meters. He says, how far is your house? He says, about 30 kilometers. So if a car's light is only going to show you 100 meters in this dark, how are you going to go to 30 kilometers? Person says, my car light doesn't have to show me 30 kilometers, right? It only needs to show 100 meters. Once I go that 100 meters, I can see the next 100 meters, and I can go to the next 100 meters, and so on. I can eventually go to my house. So he says that's exactly how things are. You don't need to know how to get to the end right now. It only all starts incremental, right? And I'm sure this is something that all of you have also felt it, right? Even I felt it. When you start, people say, just say Rama, Rama, Rama. You don't have to say anything. That's how people start, because people find it easy to say that. So that's easy. You can tell people just say Rama, Rama, Rama. That's enough, right? Valmiki also said just that. He started with Rama, Rama, but then he went on to write, Ramayana, right? So you start with that, and then gradually you'll keep adding automatically, right? Nobody who started and not given up, they've always progressed. But it's only that you should not give up. Like anything else, you start small. That's exactly what he's saying is, let that type of association, right? This type of association, tat sangaha, association with people who are devoted to you, may it always come to me. That's what Bhatripad is asking here. May I always have that association, because if I have that association, I make progress. But then if I stop it, then my progress is also going to come to an halt. And if that bhavat bhakti cha sudrida, if that bhakti and devotion becomes firm, then how? From tat mukhat unmishadmehi, from the mouths of devotees who are singing tvat mahatmya prakaraihi. So associate me with people who are singing your glories, from whose mouth your glories are coming, and just that association is going to get me more and more bhakti, and I'm able to then get to this outcome. Right? That's essentially the essence of this. Is essentially satsangam, which they say very simply, associate yourself with good people. So that is the essence of this. So let's get into the breaking this thing, right? So bhakter utpatti vriddhi, comma, tava charana jusham sangame naiva pumsam. So im at the end, pumsam, comma. So next line la masadye becomes asadye. So asadye punya bhajam, comma, shriya iva jagati shrimatam sangamena. Bhakterutpatti vriddhi tava charana jusham sangame naiva pumsam asadhye punya bhajam shriya iva jagati shrimatam sangamena. How much would I like?
You want me to say first? Okay.
Yeah, I think it's fine.
Bhakterutpatti vriddhi tava charanajushaam sangamenaiva pumsaam आसाधे पुण्य भाजाम श्रिय इव जगति श्रीमताम संगमेन भक्तेरुत्पत्ति वृद्धि तव चरणजुषाम संगमेनैव पुंसाम आसाध्ये पुण्य भाजाम श्रिय इव जगति श्रीमताम संगमेन.
भक्तेरुत्पत्ति वृद्धि तव चरणजुषां संगमेनैव पुंसाम् आसाद्ये पुण्यभाजां श्रियैव जगति श्रीमतां संगमेन. भक्तेरुत्पत्ति वृद्धि तव चरणजुषां.
And the utpatti vriddhi is a long one. So bhakterutpatti vriddhi.
Okay. Bhakterutpatti vriddhi tava charanajushaam sangamena pumsaam asadye punya bhajam shriya iva jagati shrimatam sangamena.
Tat sango deva bhuyan mama khalu satatam, after satatam comma, tanmukad unmishadbihi, tanmukad unmishadbihi, put a visarga at the end, comma. Next line, if you have the is, you can remove that is off. So twan mahatmya प्रकारैर् भवति च सुदृढा comma bhaktir uddhuta papa.
Rajesh, in the first, the third sentence, la tatsango deva bhuyat chonela bhuyan chonela.
Bhuyan. அது வந்து அந்த its word is bhuyat and mama, but when you put it together it becomes bhuyan mama. In.
Okay, இது தா போட்டிருக்குங்க
அதான் because the individual word is bhuyat, but when you say it right in one word, so உங்களோட வந்து bhuyat put they put a space and then mama. Okay.
Yeah.
Then they put it like that. என்னோட வந்து they put it together as one word, so it's bhuyan mama ன்னு போட்டிருக்கா.
Okay, so bhuyan சொல்லணுமாங்க?
Yeah, so just put it, say bhuyan mama.
Okay.
And the bhuyat separate சொன்னா it's bhuyat. That's the word. So, tatsangho deva bhuyan mama khalu satatam tanmukadunmishadbihi tvanmahatmya prakarair bhavati cha sudrudha bhaktiruddhuta papa.
तत्संगो देव भूयान् मम खलु सततं तन्मुखादुन्मिषद्भिः त्वन्माहात्म्यप्रकारैर्भवति च सुदृढा भक्तिरुद्धूतपापा त्वत्संगो देव भूयान् मम खलु सततं तन्मुखादुन्मिषद्भिः त्वन्माहात्म्यप्रकारैर्भवति च सुदृढा भक्तिरुद्धूतपापा
तत्संगो देव भूयान् मम खलु सततं तन्मुखादुन्मिषद्भिः त्वन्माहात्म्यप्रकारैर्भवति च सुदृढा भक्तिरुद्धूतपापा. Correct?
Bhaktir uddhuta. அங்க மூணு the the right, four of them, right?
Yeah.
So here it's got three of them together. So first is ud, so the,
Okay.
and then dhu, the emphasis the uddhu,
Okay.
then ta, first ta. So
Okay.
uddhuta.
Uddhuta.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. तत्संगो देव भूयान् मम खलु सततं तन्मुखात् उन्मिषद्भिः त्वन्माहात्म्यप्रकारैर्भवति च सुदृढा भक्तिरुद्धूतपापा. उद्धूत
the dh uddhuta.
भक्तिरुद्धूतपापा.
Uddhuta.
उद्धूतः वा?
Yeah.
Okay.
So on the first rendu dh, but the first is small the, next is big the, then ta.
So how do you pronounce that word?
Uddhuta.
Uddhuta.
Yeah.
Okay. Bhaktiruddhuta
Yeah. In the Sanskrit, you should follow the Sanskrit book, not English. Stanza 5. Shreyo margeshu bhaktavadika bahumatir janma karmani bhuyo gayan kshemani namanyapi thadubayadah pradrutam pradruthatma udhyadhasak kadachit kuhachidapi rudhan क्वापि गर्जन् प्रगायन् उन्मादीव प्रणुत्यन् अयि कुरु करुणां लोकबाह्यश्चरेयम्. So for all those who follow, who actually have read Bhagavad Gita, understood all the karma yoga, jnana yoga, bhakti yoga, there's nothing is like right or wrong, right? Krishna himself has said all the paths are okay, doesn't matter what path you take. And all Bhattacharya is saying here is Shreyo Margeshu, among the multiple paths you can actually take to attain moksha, Bhakto Adhika Bahumatihi, the path that you take through devotion, the Bhakti Yoga, is most preferred in this yugam because it is the easiest way to do it. Because the Jnana Yoga requires very high level understanding of things which are not possible for common people who are multitasking, right? So if you're like, on the Ramana Maharshi or somebody like Tiruvannamalai, when he's there, they're all so enlightened beings that they take that path, Jnana Marga. So for people, common people, he says Bhakti Yoga is the best, easiest path or best path to attain preference. And he says, going in this path, and he's kind of requesting and asking, Gayan, may I sing Janma Karmani Bhuyaha. May I sing about your birth and about your deeds, and Kshemani Namani, the names of yours which are actually very blessed names, right? So Vishnu Sahasranamam, if you remember, when you say that Dhyana Slogam, and you say Dhyana, Yani Namani Gaunani Vikyatani Mahatmanah Rishabhepari Gitani Tani Bhakshyam Vibhutaye. So Bhishma is saying, just chanting the names of Vishnu Sahasranam, the Sahasranam names, is so high because Vishnu has thousands and thousands of names. But why are only these specific names chosen? Because these specific names have been chosen because these are the specific names that even the rishis have chanted. So these are the highest of those names, the top 1008 names, right? So he says, just that's why Vishnu Sahasranam is so important or famous, because those are the top 1008 names. So Angada here, Bhattacharya is also saying that, may I continue to sing your names which are talking about your actions and your thing, which are the blessed names. And he says, by doing this, my mind is going to get melted, or it's going to melt so much that Udhyat hasaha kadachit. At some times, I might actually hasaha, I might laugh, as if I might suddenly burst into laughter. Sometimes kuhachit api rudan. Sometimes I might actually burst into crying. Kwapi garjan. Sometimes I might actually end up roaring. And pragayan unmadiva. And sometimes I might wander around singing like a madman. Or pranityan. I'm going to dance sometimes. But I'm going to do this. But when I'm doing this, Loka Bahya Shareyam. But make sure that I'm able to do this without worrying about what others are going to say. Right? So when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he was so engrossed in devotion, he then went to his guru one day and he says, you know what, every time I sing this and I'm chanting the names, I don't know what is happening. I'm just getting into a dancing mode, I'm crying, and all this is happening. And people are telling that I'm actually a madman. So his guru says, that's okay. That's what happens when you reach the kind of the pinnacle or the height of bhakti, then you won't know what is happening, right? And that's what Bhattacharya is saying is, don't worry about what others are telling or what others are going to think about it. When may I reach that state where I can be like a mad person. But the careful thing here also is to note that you should not do it because somebody is telling you to do. Right? If oh, no, I want you to say Hare Krishna and I want you to dance, I want you to cry. Now, okay, that may not be right, because you may not want to feel like that way. Your body may not want to express it that way. But those are some examples. Some people may cry, some people may laugh, some people may, dance, some people may not do anything. Right? But all Bhattacharya is saying here is, let me get to that state where I'm not bothered by what others are thinking about how I'm reacting, and I'm able to reach that level of bhakti to you. That's what he's saying here. So Shreyo Margeshu, Bhaktavadika Bahumatir Janma Karmani Bhuyo, and put a plus there, Gayan Kshemani Namanyapi, Thadubayataha irukku, so you can put a F to join. So Thadubayatah Pradrutam Pradrutatma. Shreyo Margeshu Bhakta Vadika Bahumatir Janma Karmani Bhuyo Gayan Kshemani Namanyapi Thadubayatah Pradrutam Pradrutatma.
श्रेयो मार्गेषु भक्तावधिक बहुमतिर्जन्म कर्माणि भूयो गायन् क्षेमाणि नामान्यपि तदुभयतः प्रद्रुतं प्रद्रुतात्मा. श्रेयो मार्गेषु भक्तावधिक बहुमतिर्जन्म कर्माणि भूयो गायन् क्षेमाणि नामान्यपि तदुभयतः प्रद्रुतं प्रद्रुतात्मा.
श्रेयो मार्गेषु भक्तावधिक बहुमतिर्जन्म कर्माणि भूयो गायन् क्षेमानि नामान्यपि तदुभयतः प्रद्रुतं प्रद्रुतात्मा. श्रेयो मार्गेषु भक्तावधिक बहुमतिर्जन्म कर्माणि भूयो गायन् क्षेमानि नामान्यपि तदुभयतः प्रद्रुतं प्रद्रुतात्मा.
Udyat Dasaha is there. So put a ha, if to join it. So Udyat Dasah Kadachit Kuhachidapi Rudan, Kwapi Garjan, Pragaya, and then there is double na in the next line. So you can put a plus at the end of the third line, but then say in. Put in at the end of the third line. So Kwapi Garjan Pragayan, and then a plus. And then the next line start with Unmadiva. U. So Unmadiva Pranutyan, then comma. So Kwapi Garjan Pragayan Unmadiva Pranutyan, comma. Then A. Ai Kuru Karunam. So the double na you put in and then A. So Ai Kuru Karunam Loka Bahyash Chareyam. Udhyadasa kadachit kuhachidapi rudhan Kwapi Garjan Pragayan Unmadiva Pranutyan Ai Kuru Karunam Loka Bahyash Chareyam.
Udhyadasa kadachit.
Udyat.
Oh, sorry. Udhyadasa kadachit kuhachidapi rudan Kwapi Garjan Pragayan Unmadiva Pranutyan Ai Kuru Karunam Loka Bahyaschareyam. Bahyaschareyam. Udhyadasak kadachit kuhachitapi rudan Kwapi Garjan Pragayan Unmadiva Pranutyan Ai Kuru Karunam Loka Bahyaschareyam.
Udyadasa kadachit kuhachidapi rudan Kwapi Garjan Pragayan Unmadiva Pranrutyan.
So Pranrutyan.
Unmadiva Pranrutyan Ai Kuru Karunam Loka Bahyaschareyam. Udyadasa kadachit kuhachidapi rudan Kwapi Garjan Pragayan Unmadiva Pranrutyan Ai Kuru Karunam Loka Bahyaschareyam.
Stanza 6. Bhutanyethani bhutatmakamapi sakalam Pakshimatsyan mrgadhin Martyan mitrani shatrunapi Yamitamate-stvanmayan yanamani Tvatsevayam hi siddhen mavatava kripaya Bhakti dhardhyam viragastvattatvasyava bodho picha bhuvanapate Yatna bhedam vinaiva. So Bhutani, the Pancha Bhutam which is there, Akasham, Vayu, Agni, Bhumi, water, the Pancha Bhutams which are there, as well as Bhutatmakam api Sakalam, as well as the things which are formed because of the 5 Bhutams, which is everything else, right? If you think of whether it be, example is giving is Pakshi, birds, Matsyan, all the fishes, Mrigadin, animals, Martyan, which are mortals or humans. So the Pancha Bhutam as well as all the other things which are made of the Pancha Bhutam, for all of these things. Mitrani, so all of who are my friends. Shatrunapi, all of who are my enemies, right? So all of them, I am Tvat Mayani Anamani. Give me the ability to be able to treat them all the same and salute them. Now, that is super hard for everybody to think that a fish is the same as a priest in the temple, right? Or anything for that matter. So, and that is not possible because probably we have not attained that level that Bhattacharya has explained in the previous stanzas, right? So once you attain that level of maturity that he is talked about in all the previous stanzas, then he says first you have to get that. That's why this is coming later. Once you attain that level of devotion and see that everything and everybody is Krishna, then you'll be able to look at all of these things with equal, that all of them are actually equal. So please, and then give me the ability to, with a balanced mind, be able to worship you. So I actually get that. And with that, with that firmness in devotion, what Bhattacharya is asking, he's asking for 3 things. He's saying, once I attain that dhardhyam bhakti, that firmness in devotion, I will first get, with your grace, he says, first I'm going to get bhakti, I'm going to get devotion. Second, he says viragaha. Ragam means love. Viragam means dispassion. And that's why the word vairagyam is coming, because vairagyam is coming from the root word viragam. So not passionate about anything, and when you're not passionate about something, then they say you have a vairagyam. You know, thinking of you as better than somebody, or pride and all of that is coming. So he's saying, give me the viragam, which is kind of a not attachment to anything. I don't have passion towards anything. That's second thing. Third is knowledge of your true nature. So apabhotaha api tvat tattvasya, the true nature of you, give me knowledge, and give me all these three things yatna bhedam vinaya, without me having to work individually for everything. So if I have to work individually for getting knowledge, individually for getting bhakti, individually for getting viragam, that's going to take me a long time. So please, I'm praying to you, so give me complete devotion, so I get all these three in one shot. So once if I can get all these three in one shot, but then he's saying you can achieve a level where you think of everybody and everything as equal. So that is what he's praying for in this. So 6, right? Yeah. Bhutan yethani bhutatmakam api sakalam, comma, pakshi matsyan mrigadin, comma, martyan mitrani shatrunapi, comma, yamita matis twan mayan yanamani. Bhutanyethani bhutatmakamapi sakalam pakshimatsyan mrigadhin martyan mitrani shatrunapi yamitamatis twanmayan yanamani.
भूतान्येतानि भूतात्मकमपि सकलं पक्षिमत्स्यान् मृगादीन् मर्त्यान् मित्राणि शत्रूनपि यमितमतिस्त्वन्मयान् यानमानि भूतान्येतानि भूतात्मकमपि सकलं पक्षिमत्स्यान् मृगादीन् मर्त्यान् मित्राणि शत्रूनपि यमितमतिस्त्वन्मयान् यानमानि
भूतान् येतानि भूतात्मकमपि सकलं पक्षिमत्स्यान् मृगादीन् मर्त्यान् मित्राणि शत्रून् अपि यमितमतिस्त्वन्मयान् यानमानि भूतान् येतानि भूतात्मकमपि सकलं पक्षिमत्स्यान् मृगादीन् मर्त्यान् मित्राणि शत्रून् अपि यमितमतिस्त्वन्मयान् यानमानि
त्वत्सेवायां हि सिद्ध्येन मम तव कृपया, comma, bhakti dhardyam viraga irukku, and then put a plus there. So viragas, you add the is from the next line into it. So bhakti dhardyam viragas tvat tat, அந்த இடத்துல வந்து it's like multiple ths and half the எல்லாம் இருக்கு அந்த இடத்துல. So tvat tat त्वस्याव बोधोपि. So त्वत्तत् त्वस्याव बोधोपि च भुवनपते, comma, yatna bhedam vinaiva. So kripaya kapram there's a comma, and then the next one you say all the way till bhuvanapate and then a comma. So the best way to break it would be twat tat twasyava bodhopi. त्वत्सेवायां हि सिद्ध्येन मम तव कृपया भक्तिदार्ढ्यं विरागस्त्वत्तत्त्वस्यावबोधोऽपि च भुवनपते यत्नभेदं विनैव.
त्वत्सेवायां हि सिद्ध्येन मम तव कृपया भक्तिदार्ढ्यं विरागस्त्वत्तत्त्वस्यावबोधोऽपि च भुवनपते यत्नभेदं विनैव त्वत्सेवायां हि सिद्ध्येन मम तव कृपया भक्तिदार्ढ्यं विरागस्त्वत्तत्त्वस्यावबोधोऽपि च भुवनपते यत्नभेदं विनैव
त्वत्सेवायां हि सिद्ध्येन मम तव कृपया भक्तिदार्ढ्यं विरागस्त्वत्तत्त्वस्यावबोधोऽपि च भुवनपते यत्नभेदं विनैव त्वत्सेवायां हि सिद्ध्येन मम तव कृपया भक्तिदार्ढ्यं विरागस्त्वत्तत्त्वस्यावबोधोऽपि च भुवनपते यत्नभेदं विनैव.
Okay, stanza 7. नो मुह्यन् क्षुत्रिढाध्यैर्भवसरणिभवैः त्वन्निलीनाशयत्वात् चिन्ता सातत्यशाली निमिषलवमपि त्वत्पदादप्रकम्पः इष्टानिष्टेषु तुष्टिव्यसनविरहितो मायिकत्वावबोधात् ज्योत्स्नाभिस्त्वन्नखेन्दोः अधिकशिशिरितेनात्मना सञ्चरेयम्. So now each of these stanzas are building on each other, right? So now you have to imagine that he's reached Bhattaripada, or what he's asking for is he's reached the state that we described in the previous stanza. So now he's saying, once I get to that point, give me the ability where, Kshut Tridadhyehi. Kshut is hunger, Tridadhye is thirst. So hunger, thirst, etc., Adhyehi, etc., which are all the things that the universe is throwing on me. I am not going to be affected by this. No mukhyan. I should not be affected by hunger, thirst. I should not feel hungry. I should not feel thirsty, because my mind is going to be so engrossed in you completely. So this is different from when you go to the doctor and says, I'm not feeling hungry, I'm not feeling thirsty. You are sick. This is like, you are not feeling this because you're so devoted. So he's saying I should reach that state, and because of this, I'll reach that state where I'm not affected by any of this. And then he says, nimisha lavamapi. So even for a fraction of a nimisha, a minute or a second, even for a fraction of that, fatpadat aprakampaha chinta. So my mind, as I'm meditating, let me not move away from your feet, even for a fraction of a second, right? So again, if you think of, all of this is incremental. We can't say how can I get to that. Is again, like everybody, like we discussed early, start with 15 minutes of prayers a day, increase it to 30. May not be this janmam or the next janmam, right? But in some janmam, eventually in the future. But he's saying that let me reach that state where I'm not interrupted by any of these things, and even for a fraction of a second, I don't want to be thinking about anything other than your feet. And once you are able to reach that, then ishta anishtesu. So anything which is good, which people think is good, or anything which people think is bad, or tushti vyasana. So anything which gives you happiness, right? Food wise, material things, anything that's giving you happiness, or anything you have an aversion to, all of these things which are the result of maya, mayikatva, which is the effect of maya, virihita, I'm going to be completely indifferent to all of these things, because now I'll eventually reach a state where it's going to be the same. So whether it is a good food coming from a restaurant or anything else, it's going to be the same as any other bad food which I don't like previously. It's all going to be the same. So with this, I will move forward, with my mind getting cooled. That's what he says here. Mind will get cooled like the moon, because in the Purusha Suktam it says the mind is born from the moon. That's why you say mind cooler. It's because of the effect of moon, right? Moon has an impact on your mind. So he says, like the moon's cool rays, let my mind also remain cool, and I'm always focused on you. What's this? So no muhyan kshut Tridadhyair bhava sarani bhavaihi. That is there. You remove it, put a visarga. Bhavaihi, comma. Twan nilinasha yatvat. Twan nilinasha yatvat. Put a it at the end of the first line, comma. Next line, if you have a half cha and then a full cha, you should have a chi. It will be like one half cha and a full cha. So remove that small half cha. So it starts with chinta. That's what it should start with. Chinta satatya shali nimisha lavam api tvat padadaprakampaha. Tvat padadaprakampaha. Essentially, and the itch that is there is because of the sandhi. That it plus chi puts it as a small cha and a big cha. So we are just removing that. So no muhyan kshatridadhyair bhavasarani bhavaihi त्वन्निलीनाशयत्वात् चिन्ता सातत्यशाली निमिषलवमपि त्वत्पदादप्रकम्पः.
नो मुह्यन् क्षुत्रुडाध्यैर्भवसरणिभवैः त्वन्निलीनाशयत्वात् चिन्ता सातत्यशाली निमिषलवमपि त्वत्पदादप्रकम्पः. இந்த செகண்ட் லைன்ல காமா எங்கேயானு இருக்கா ராஜேஷ்?
இல்ல இல்ல கண்டினியூ.
காமா கிடையாது. ஓகே சாரி. नो मुह्यन् क्षुत्रुडाध्यैर्भवसरणिभवैः त्वन्निलीनाशयत्वात् चिन्ता सातत्यशाली निमिषलवमपि त्वत्पदादप्रकम्पः.
Only small correction I would say is, if you want to say it explicitly as aprakampaha, then you say tvat padat, the it, end it with it and say aprakampaha, or you can say it together as tvat padad aprakam. If you just say daprakampaha together, it will just make it fine too.
Okay, tvat padad aprakampaha.
Yeah, you just say it together, that's fine. But if you want to break it, you make it padat and aprakampaha.
Okay, thank you.
No muhyan shutrudadyair bhavasarani bhavaihi tvannili nashayatvat चिंता सातत्यशाली निमिषलवमपि त्वत्पदादप्रकम्पः. नो मुह्यन् शुत्रडाद्यैर्भवसरणि भवैः त्वन्निलीनाशयत्वात् चिंता सातत्यशाली निमिषलवमपि त्वत्पदादप्रकम्पः.
इष्टा निष्ठेषु तुष्टि व्यसन विरहितो कॉमा मायिकत्वाव बोधात् it at the end comma. Next again, if you have that small j, if you have two j's in Sanskrit, you can remove one of them out. So it just starts with jyotsnabhis twanna kendoho. So make it kendoho comma, remove the ra that is there. So kendoho comma adhika, then put a adhika shishirite natmana. So it's shishiritena atmana. So shishirite natmana sanchareyam. Ishta nishteshtu tushte vyasana virahito मायिकत्वावबोधात् ज्योत्स्नाभिस्त्वन्नखेन्दोः अधिक शिशिरितेनात्मना सञ्चरेयम्.
इष्टानिष्ठेषु तुष्टिव्यसनविरहितो मायिकत्वावबोधात् ज्योत्स्नाभिस्त्वन्नखेन्दोः अधिकशिशिरितेनात्मना सञ्चरेयम्. इष्टानिष्ठेषु तुष्टिव्यसनविरहितो मायिकत्वावबोधात् ज्योत्स्नाभिस्त्वन्नखेन्दोः अधिकशिशिरितेनात्मना सञ्चरेयम्.
इष्टानिष्टेषु तुष्टिव्यसनविरहितो मायिकत्वावबोधात् ज्योत्स्नाभिस्त्वन्नखेन्दोः अधिकशिशिरितेनात्मना सञ्चरेयम्. इष्टानिष्टेषु तुष्टिव्यसनविरहितो मायिकत्वावबोधात् ज्योत्स्नाभिस्त्वन्नखेन्दोः अधिकशिशिरितेनात्मना सञ्चरेयम्.
Sanchayit. भूतेष्वेषु त्वदैक्यस्मृतिसमधिगतौ नादिकारोऽधुना चेत् त्वत्प्रेम त्वत्कमैत्री झडमतिषु कृपा द्वित्सु भूयादुपेक्षा अर्चायां वा समर्चा कुतुकमुरुतर श्रद्धया वर्धतां मे त्वत्संसेवित्ततापि द्रुतमुपलभते भक्तलोकोत्तमत्वम्. So Iduvarikum Bhattacharya spoke about all this philosophical stuff, and he said, may get to that point, which may be out of reach, like we said, for a lot of people. So here he's saying, maybe he's acknowledging that, he's saying, maybe my adhikaram, my right, at present, aduna, at this point in time, my right may not be there. He says, I may not have the right to be able to get to this point with your blessing. I may not have reached that level yet, right? So Tad Aikya Bhuteshu, to get to the realization that you are the one person in all these beings, I may not be ready for it. I have not reached that level. So in the interim, for me to get there, at least may I have, he says, Tvat Prema, may at least have love for you. Tvatka Maitri, may have love and friendship for your people, people who are devoted to you. Kripa Jadamatishu, let me have kindness towards people who are ignorant. So if somebody says, oh, I don't believe this, and I know I don't agree with your mode of thinking and everything, we're like, you know what, he's so ignorant, he's so dumb, right? And we don't associate. He says, but Bhadripat says, but let me at least have kindness towards them. Let me not hate them, let me not fight with them, let me have kindness towards those people. And even with my friends and enemies, let me have kindness with them. So at least get me that step one. Let me get me to at least that point. And then he says, Archayam, so the images, so your photos and your idols, right? So let me at least continue to get eagerness to worship you. Let that increase in me, because with this, I will gradually move step by step. And eventually he says, Bhakta Loka Uttamatvam. Eventually and gradually, I will reach the state where I am in the highest of your devotees. I reach the status where I'm in the highest of your devotees. So he's also acknowledging that it is not easy. And he's saying, Bhadrapade Chodra, that he may not be ready. So he's saying, at least, give me some basic stuff so I can kind of get there, right? So that's essentially the essence of what he's saying here. And this again goes back to that thing where he says, Bhaktir Utpatti Vriddhi Tava Charana Jusham Sangame Naiva Pumsa, right? That's essentially the meaning here. Is association is eventually going to get you there. So Bhuteshveshu Tvadaikya Smriti Samadhigatau, comma, Nadhikarodhuna Chet, put a it there, Chet, comma. Then next one, there's an extra it, remove it. It becomes Tvat Prema, Tvatka Maitri, Jadamatishu Kripa, comma, Dvitsu. So the, and then there's a ver underneath it. So dvi. So Dvitsu Bhuyadupeksha. Bhuteshmeshu Tvadaikya Smriti Samadhigatau Nadhikarodhuna Chethe Tvat Prema Tvatka Maitri Jadamatishu Kripa Dvitsu Bhuyadupeksha. Uma, you're on mute.
Sorry. Bhuteshveshu tvadaikya smriti samadhigatau nadhikaro dhuna chet tvat prema tvatka maitri jadamatishu kripa dvitsu bhuyadupeksha. Bhuteshveshu tvadaikya smriti samadhigatau nadhikaro dhuna chet tvat prema tvatka maitri jadamatishu kripa Dvitsu bhuyadupeksha.
Bhuteshveshu tvadaikya smriti samadhigatau nadhikarodhuna chet tvat prema tvatka maitri jadamatishu kripa dvitsu bhuyadupeksha. Bhuteshveshu tvadaikya smriti samadhigatau nadhikarodhuna chet tvat prema tvatka maitri jadamatishu kripa Dvitsu bhuyadupeksha.
Archayam va samarcha kutukam urutara shraddhaya vardatam me. So there's no comma in between, all the way. Samarcha kutukam urutara shraddhaya vardatam me, comma. Tvat samsevi tathapi drutam upalabate, comma. Bhakta Lokottamatvam. Bhakta Loka Uttamatvam. So remember the word Uttamam. So it's Bhakta Lokottamatvam. Archayam va samarcha kutukamurutara shraddhaya vardhatam me tvatsam sevittatha pidrutamupalabhate Bhakta Lokottamatvam.
Archayam va samarchar. Sorry. Archayam va samarcha kutuka murutarak shraddhaya vardhatam me tvatsam sevi tathapi drutamupalabhate bhakta lokottamatvam. Archayam va samarcha kutuka murutarak shraddhaya vardhatam me tvatsam sevi tathapi drutamupalabhate भक्तलोकोत्तमत्वम्
अर्चायां वासमर्चा कुतुकमूर्तरश्रद्धया वर्धतां मे त्वत्संसेविततापि द्रुतम उपलभते भक्तलोकोत्तमत्वम् अर्चायां वासमर्चा कुतुकमूर्तरश्रद्धया वर्धतां मे त्वत्संसेविततापि द्रुतम उपलभते भक्तलोकोत्तमत्वम्.
And the fourth line, Tvatsam Sevi is a long V. So Tvatsam Sevi Tathapi.
त्वत्सं सेवी तथापि द्रुतम उपलभते भक्तलोकोत्तमत्वम्.
Yeah, correct. 9. Avritya Tvatswarupam Kshitijalamurudhadyatmana Vikshiphanti Jivan Bhuyishta Karma Vali Vipashagatin Dukkha Jale Kshipanti Tvanmaya Ma Vibhunma Mai Bhuvanapate Kalpate Tat Prashantye Tvatpadhe Bhakti Reve Tyavadhadai Vivo Siddha Yogi Prabuddaha. So now again, Bhattacharya has made a full circle. He's kind of telling again is that, so your Maya, which is kind of projecting all these various things, it is concealing the true nature. That's the reason I'm not able to see the true nature. And what it also says is this is a Maya which is throwing all these souls which are currently in this earth. It is throwing them into like the dukkha jale, in the net of sufferings. Just throwing everything into the dukkha jale. Why? Because of karma valigati, because of the actions of their karma or the actions of what they happened in the past, that karma, because of that they are actually all thrown into these things. So here he says, O Bhuvanapate, may this Maya not overpower me. That's what he's saying, right? Because whatever, and I don't want to get into the details in the karma apati, we can keep talking for half an hour. So that prarabdha karma which is there is not going to go away. You're born, you have to encounter that. Nothing can remove the karma, prarabdha karma you are going to have, right? You have to face it. Now this devotion is going to help with two things. One is it is going to help you pass through that with a little bit of easiness than what if you don't have that. Is number one. And plus the second, which is the kriyamana karma, which is the karma you are building up now, it will prevent you from building up more bad karma for next time, right? So those are the two things. So that's what he's saying is, may that Maya not overpower me, so you help me eliminate it. He's saying Siddha Yogi Prabuddha. So looks like there was one yogi called Prabuddha during who is referencing. I tried to find out who that Prabuddha was. I could not find, because this is sometime in 1300s, right? So I don't know who was. It's not Prabhupada because he was much more recent.
Rajesh, isn't this the Navayogis? He's one of the Navayogis.
I think he's one of the Navayogis, because even earlier they are referencing the various Navayogis are saying this in Bhagavatam Cholita. So it's possible he is one of the Navayogis. Yeah, so it's one of them. So he just says, oh, like how great Yogi Prabuddha said, in the Mari it will help me out, and devotion to your feet is the only way out. He's saying here. Avritya Tvat Swarupam, Kshiti Jala Marudha Dhyatmana. That's, we can't break that word. So Marudha Dhyatmana Vikshi Panthi, long T, comma. So Tvat Swarupam, Vikshi Panthi, Jivan Bhuyishtha Karmavali Bivasha Gatin, Dukkha Jale Kshipanti. Avritya Tvatswarupam Kshitijalamurudhadyatmana Vikshiphanti Jivan Bhuyishtha Karma Vali Vivashagatin Dukkha Jale Kshipanti.
Avritya Tvatswarupam Kshitijalamurudhadyatmana Vikshiphanti Jivan Bhuyishtha Karma Vali Vivashagatin Dukkha Jale Kshipanti. Avritya Tvatswarupam Kshitijalamurudhadyatmana Vikshiphanti Jivan Bhuyishtha Karma Vali Vivashagatin Dukkha Jale Kshipanti.
Avritya Tvatswarupam Kshitijalamurudhadyatmana Vikshipanti जीवान् भूयश्च कर्मा वलिविवशगतीन् दुःखजाले क्षिपन्ति
The first word is avritya, not avrityan.
okay
Avritya.
आवृत्य okay आवृत्य त्वत्स्वरूपं क्षितिजलमरुदाद्यात्मना विक्षिपन्ति जीवान् भूयश्च कर्मा वलिविवशगतीन् दुःखजाले क्षिपन्ति
Twan maya mabhibhun mam ai bhuvanapate, comma, kalpate tat prashantyai, comma, tvatpade bhaktirevetyava. Bhaktirevetiva. So that you can't break it. So bhaktirevetyava dadai vibho, comma, siddha yogi prabuddhaha. त्वन्माया मा विभून्मा मयि भुवनपते कल्पते तत्प्रशान्त्यै त्वत्पादे भक्तिरेवेत्यवधदै विभो सिद्धयोगी प्रबुद्धः.
त्वन्माया मा विभून्मां मयि भुवनपते कल्पते तत्प्रशान्त्यै त्वत्पादे भक्तिरेवेत्यवददै विभो सिद्धयोगी प्रबुद्धैः गणे
Sorry, प्रबुद्धः.
प्रबुद्धः गण
Yeah,
Prabud-
do you have daihi there?
No, I was reading it wrong. I think I was looking at both the books. Okay, Prabuddaha. Okay. Tvanmaya ma vibhunmam ai bhuvanapate kalpate tat prashantyai tvatpade bhaktirevetyavadadai vibho siddha yogi prabuddaha.
त्वन्माया मा विभून् मामायि भुवनपते कल्पते तत्प्रशान्त्यै त्वत्पादे भक्तिरेवेत्यवददै विभो सिद्धयोगी प्रबुद्धः.
On the first line, Satya, ma bhun mam ai.
मामायि मामयि
Mam ai. So mamai.
मामयि okay मामयि
Yeah. Or you can break it and say mam ai.
मामयि okay त्वन्माया मा विभून् मामयि भुवनपते कल्पते तत्प्रशान्त्यै त्वत्पादे भक्तिरेवेत्यवददै विभो सिद्धयोगी प्रबुद्धः.
The dada, it's only two das. I think you said three das. Bhakti
प्रबुद्ध
revetyava dada I vibho.
त्वत्पादे भक्तिरेवेत्य वददै right वददै
Bhakti revetyava ஒரு word. Bhakti revetyava dadai vibho.
okay त्वत्पादे भक्तिरेवेत्यव ददै विभो.
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah, so just break it at that bhakti revetyava and that's break it and dadai vibho.
Okay.
Okay, 10. दुःखान्यालोक्य जन्तुष्फलमुदित विवेकोऽहमाचार्यवर्यात् लब्ध्वा त्वद्रूपतत्त्वं गुणचरितकथाद्युद्भवद्भक्तिभूमा मायामेनां तरित्वा परमसुखमये त्वत्पदे मोदिताहे तस्यायं पूर्वरङ्गः पवनपुरपते नाशया शेषरोगान्. So like they say, right, don't reinvent the wheel. He's saying alokya jantushu dukkhani. So he says, by just observing all the sufferings that everybody around me is going through, right? Just by observing the sufferings, give me the ability to understand the knowledge, saying that everything, so let me now realize that it's all this maya and everything which is shrouding, and they're going after all these reasons why they are suffering. So that I don't have to go through it. So let me get that ability to actually separate out why people are suffering. So give me that ability. And then in addition to that, may I also get instructions, may I also be blessed to get instructions from a Acharya Varyat, from a spiritual master, right? He's saying, because from his instructions, I will be eventually able to understand your true nature. And how do you get that? Is he says very clearly is Guna Charita Katha Adi. By hearing about, talking about, singing about your glories and your, all the activities that you have done. in the Narayanam and all those things, right? By singing about it or talking about it and listening, and through a teacher, give me the ability to do that so that I can attain that supreme devotion, Bhakti Bhuma, and with that, Maya Menam, I'll be able to cross the river of Maya and eventually reach your feet, which is going to give me extreme Moditahe, which is going to give me extreme delight. And for that, this is the first step. He's saying that, no, going through everything, I have to take a first step and give me the right teacher so I can make progress. He says, "Oh Pavana Purapate, Nashaya Shesharogan." So eliminate me of all the ailments. Dukhan Yalokya. So in the word, it's difficult to break it. So you kind of have to say Jantushvalam Udita. So you can either say Jantushvalam Udita or Jantushvalam Mudita. Either is fine. Vivekoham Acharya Varyath. So put a it at the end and then a comma. So Jantushvalam Udita Vivekoham Acharya Varyath, comma. Then
Where
next
in comma kadiyada?
first line the comma kadiyada. First line in comma is at the end. And then if you have like a small l and then a la, remove the small l. So it just starts with labdva twadrupa tattvam, comma, guna charita katadhyudbhavat. So it's katad udbhavat, but you say it together, katadhyudbhavat bhakti bhuma. Dukkanyalokya jantushvalam udita vivekohamacharya varyate labdva twadrupa tattvam gunacharita katadhyudbhavat bhakti bhuma.
Dukkanyalokya jantushvalamudita vivekohamacharya varyat labdva twadrupatatvam gunacharita kathadyudbhavat bhakti bhuma. Dukkanyalokya jantushvalamudita vivekohamacharya varyat labdva twadrupatatvam gunacharita kathadyudbhavat bhakti bhuma. I think I forgot to stop after tattvam.
That's okay.
Dukkhan yalokya jantush balamudita vivekoham acharya varyat labdva twadrupa tattvam gunacharita katha yudbhavat bhakti bhuma. Dukkhan yalokya jantush balamudita vivekoham acharya varyat labdva twadrupa tattvam gunacharita katha yudbhavat bhakti bhuma.
Maya menam taritva, comma, parama sukhamaye tvatpade moditahe, comma, tasyayam purvarangaha, comma, pavana purapate nashayashesha rogan. So nashaya ashesha rogan, ashesha rogan. So nashayashesha rogan. Maya menam taritva parama sukhamaye tvatpade moditahe tasyayam purvarangaha pavana purapate nashaya shesha rogan.
Maya menam taritva paramasukamaye tvatpade moditahe tasyayam purvarangah pavanapurapate nashaya shesharogan. Maya menam taritva paramasukamaye tvatpade moditahe tasyayam purvarangah pavanapurapate nashaya shesharogan.
Maya menam taritva paramasukamaye tvatpade moditahe tasyayam purvarangaha pavanapurapate nashaya shesharogan. Maya menam taritva paramasukamaye tvatpade moditahe tasyayam purvarangaha pavanapurapate nashaya shesharogan. Shri Krishna.
Brahmane Namaha. It's perfect time, so we completed this. Om Sandhanandhavabodhatmakamanupamitam कालदेशावदेभ्यां निर्मुक्तं नित्यमुक्तं निगमशतसहस्रेण निर्भास्यमानम् अस्पष्टं दृष्टमात्रे पुनरुरुपुरुषार्थात्मकं ब्रह्मतत्त्वं तत्तावद्भाति साक्षात् गुरुपवनपुरे हन्त भाग्यं जनाः कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि.
Thanks, Rajesh.